Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix fingerprint not working problem in Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing your fingerprint is not working, go to the settings, scroll down, here it is showing security and privacy, click on device unlock and here it is fingerprint unlock. So you have to delete the previous fingerprint lock and made your own fingerprint, so this will fix it. So you have to make a new fingerprint and then it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.